Hello everyone. Today I will present the Qry Client in Maegham Dev Kit. Before accessing the Qry Client, we need to configure the database configuration. Under Get Started, click the Database Configuration tab, then select the Configure Database button. This will navigate you to the database configuration page. Here, we support multiple databases: Oracle Database, DB2, PostgreSQL, IBM DB. For now, let's assume we are using an Oracle database. You can enter the required credential information here. Once the credentials are provided, you need to add the JDBC jar file. We provide the required JR file on our website. Click the Download Oracle JR file button. It will redirect you to the website where you can copy the JR file name. Click the Download option. Search using the JR name. Download the file. After downloading, return to the Maegham Dev Kit, click the Add JR button, and select the downloaded file. Once the JR file is added, click the Test button to validate the connection. If the connection is successful, click Save. The database configuration will be stored under the Saved Database Configuration list. Now let's move to the Qry Client. Open the Qry Client workspace, select the environment name, and click Connect. Once connected successfully, you can enter a query and assign it a name. The result will be displayed in the query result pane. Here, you can see query response, row count, time taken. You can also save queries. For example, I will save this query. Once saved, the query will appear under the Saved Queries list. Click the Saved Queries button to view all saved queries. Here, you can filter them based on favorites, session name. In the Saved Queries list, you will see query name, description, favorites, session, date. Coming back to the Qry Client features, you can refresh queries, undo, redo, commit changes, save queries. Open SQL files from local storage to access existing SQL files. View query history. Set the schema name. That's all about the Qry Client. Thank you, everyone. For queries and support, please contact the Maegham support team.